This is TP5-port gigabit desktop switch. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing to check the quality of the product, and then I'm going to do a test to see if it works. Let's get started. The product is very small and it's metal case. It's all metal. And this is installation guide, and this is another installation guide, and this is power adapter. Let's see how long the cable is. Actually, the cable length is not bad, and plus the length of the Ethernet cable, so it's very easy to reach different computers. All right, let's get connected and get it set up. Oh, almost forgot this thing. And this one, you can put it under here. You see all these four marks. So let's put this on. And here's another option that you can mount it on a wall or anywhere you got here. So you can put it on the table or you can mount it. So now I'm going to power it on. Here is the cable, and now the power lights is on. I'm going to test the internet connection with my laptop. I just disconnect this one and then put it right here. I put it to the number 1, and then I'm going to use another cable. Let's put it to 3. The same cable connected to my adapter to the Mac. Oh, just right away. Pretty good, just pretty fast.
Sitting ducks ahead, who wants them?
All right, I got internet. But I think I should test another function to see if the other slots is working. I'm going to use my iPad Pro. So next step, I'm going to plug in another Ethernet cable, and this cable connected to another adapter. This one go to my MacBook Pro. So I turn off the Wi-Fi function, and then I'm going to connect it to the Ethernet cable through the adapter. So let's see if we got anything. All right, we got internet. Perfect. So the second one is working, and let's check the first one if it's still working. I mean, I want them to be working at the same time. All right, so for this one, it's playing, and this one is playing as well. Perfect, it works. And super easy to, you don't need to do any setup. You just plug in your initial Ethernet cable and then come up to another cable that's starting working at the same time. All right, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.